Hello everyone. Nowadays everyone is confused to decide which programming language should start, because there is many programming language are available in market. In today's video I will share top 10 reasons with you why you should learn Python. 10 reasons why Python is one of the best programming language. 1. Python is easy to learn and use. Beginners and those new to the field will find Python to be exceedingly simple to learn and utilize. The language boasts the easiest syntax of any programming language currently in use, places a greater emphasis on natural language, and is therefore the most approachable. 2. Python is handy for web development purposes. Expert professional web developers claim that Python is one of the most practical programming languages available. The pace of a single project multiplies due to the availability of its wide range of applications with built-in solutions to common web development jobs. 3. The language is extensively used in data science. Data will always be a part of the tech sector, no matter what path you take. Python is currently widely used in data science. To take advantage of the most cutting-edge technologies, data professionals must also keep up with the most recent technological advancements in the sector. 4. Has multiple libraries and frameworks. Python is very well liked because it offers developers access to hundreds of different libraries and frameworks. NumPy, SciPy, Django, and other libraries that are used for various things are some of the most well-liked ones that are available in Python. 5. Python can be used in ML tool. For research purposes including big data and machine learning, Python is employed to advancement in such domains. In addition to data science, Python is also employed in robotics and other areas of technology advancement and is quite helpful in the AI field. 6. Python for academics. The language is becoming an essential component of curricula in colleges and universities. This is due to Python's popularity with the numerous use cases in data science, deep learning, and other fields. Additionally, it is essential for schools and institutions to incorporate the language into their curricula given the large number of students who want to pursue professions in technology. 7. Has a highly supportive community. Since is one of the oldest and most widely used programming languages. Consequently, it had the opportunity to establish a strong, developing community of programmers, developers, and coders. Because of this assistance, Python students can simply acquire the skills needed by business and can receive the proper instruction. 8. Flexibility and reliability. Python is a versatile language that gives programmers plenty of time to try out novel experiments. Python experts will endeavor to create new procedures, technologies, or applications rather than simply sticking to the status quo. It gives developers the freedom and flexibility they need to focus on learning a single language and make the most of their abilities. 9. Python automates tasks. Many industrial activities that call for numerous tools and modules can be automated with the aid of the Python language. It is astounding to learn that with only the essential Python programs, one may easily achieve a high level of automation. For automation tools, the developers just need to write a small amount of code. 10. The first choice always. Many students and programmers around the world favor Python. Due to Python's extensive use cases in the business, many students studying data science and development look forward to learning the language. Thus, Python offers both novices and students a variety of job options. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Thanks.